Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Ally down and disconnecting power, then remove micro SD and any peripherals. This prevents data issues and shorts. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap and lay out a Phillips #00 and a plastic pry tool. These are non-negotiable. Once done, flip the unit and remove the back screws in the pattern shown. Keep screws grouped so reassembly matches their original holes. Make sure to work on a clean, flat surface with good light, because visibility matters. Once the cover is off, identify the M2 2230 slot and any shielding plate covering it. This shielding often hides the screw. Remove the small retaining screw carefully and lift the SSD at a low angle to free it from the connector. Slide it out straight to avoid bending pins. Inspect the socket for dust or damaged pins. Clean gently if needed. Make sure the replacement is the same M2 2230 form factor and keyed the same way before inserting. Install the new SSD by aligning the notch, sliding it into the connector at a low angle, then pressing it flat and fastening the original screw. This secures contact and grounding. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and power up directly into BIOS to confirm the drive appears before loading the OS. This isolates issues early. If the SSD is not detected, power down, reset the module, verify NVMe settings in BIOS, and confirm the screw isn't over-tightened. These steps solve most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.